Hey everyone, Monica Fernandes with Evolution Essentials. In this video, I'm going to be talking about bug repellent with essential oils and no DEET recipes. If you've been to my channel before, welcome back. If you're a subscriber, thank you for being a subscriber. And if you're brand new, welcome. And in this channel, I talk about everything essential oils, wellness, non-toxic living, stress management, and more. And today we're talking about bug repellents with no DEET, where the basic ingredients are just essential oils. And I need to talk to you guys a little bit about quality. Before I do that, I want you to stick around because I have a free gift for you towards the end. I want to talk about quality because when you're making things with essential oils that you're going to be putting on your skin, it's really important that you pick the most pure essential oils on the market. I actually did a video on essential oils that protect against bugs, and I actually cover which are good against which type of bug, and you can watch that right here. I was talking about quality. Quality is really important because you're going to be putting these recipes, these DIYs on your skin, and you want to make sure that everything is so pure and it's not going to be toxic for you. It's going to be safe and your skin's not going to be irritated. Most of the essential oils on the market are either synthetic or adulterated. That means they've just been cut with something and it's just not very effective. And you don't really know where they're coming from. So unless you can obtain a third-party testing report of exactly what is in the bottle, and you can actually find that in my description of the essential oil brand that I use, and I'm giving you 25% off to get started if you'd like, and that is really important. So you can buy bug repellents, right? You've probably bought a ton of bug repellents, but if you want to go a more non-toxic route, the options are a little bit more fuzzy. So sometimes, even with toxic chemicals, sometimes these bug repellents work and sometimes they don't. And some people, like me, are really beacons for being bitten by bugs. They just love me. Is that you too? Because that is me. And stick around because I have 4 recipes for you towards the end. And I want to talk first about the bug repellents that are on the market right now and why you shouldn't use them. The issue is that they're harmful and toxic chemicals in many of the popular bug repellent sprays. And DEET, D-E-E-T, or this word right here that I can't pronounce, is the most common ingredient in insect repellents. And DEET has some worrisome effects because DEET has been reported to cause seizures and uncoordinated movements, agitation, aggressive behavior, low blood pressure, and skin irritation. In many European countries, products containing DEET above a certain percentage are actually banned. And according to Wikipedia, and I quote, "As a precaution, manufacturers advise that DEET products should not be used under clothing or on damaged skin, and that preparations be washed off after they are no longer needed or in between applications. DEET can act as an irritant. In rare cases, it may cause severe epidermal reactions, that's skin. Other symptoms that can occur are breathing difficulty, burning eyes, or headaches." And then it goes on, "It has been found to have a slight toxicity for freshwater fish, such as rainbow trout and tilapia, and it has also been shown to be toxic for some species of freshwater zooplankton." I don't know about you, but a slight toxicity is enough for me not to use it. And I've turned to more natural options. And if you're enjoying this video, I would like for you to do me a favor and hit the red button right there and subscribe to my channel, because my channel is going to keep going if people like you subscribe and watch, and if things that I'm talking about are interesting to you. And I would love for you to like this video and also click the notification bell because you want to be notified when I upload a new video. And if you know somebody that is bitten by insects all the time, please send them this video. You're going to be doing them a favor. Okay, so you can make your own repellents. If you know the following essential oils are good against bugs. You ready for this? Citronella, lemon eucalyptus, thyme, lavender, peppermint. If you want to know more about peppermint, I actually did a video on peppermint essential oil to soothe and uplift that you can watch right there. And geranium, arborvitae, cedarwood, Terra Shield, which is a repellent blend that includes citronella, lemongrass, thyme, cedarwood, geranium, and peppermint essential oils in a base of sesame seed oil, lemongrass, and eucalyptus. So if these essential oils are, you're like, what are essential oils? I don't even know. Okay, no worries, I got you. Watch this video right here on the top 10 benefits of essential oils to get started. Let's get down to business and to the recipes. And for recipes, this is what I am going to recommend for you, okay? I actually love using these blue bottles, these blue spray bottles. You can get them on Amazon. I'll leave a link for you before. If you want to make them in a very high quantity, use these big bottles. And I'm wearing a blue shirt, which is not very helpful. And I have a green screen behind me. So with my backyard, if you've noticed, because we were talking about bug repellents and making them. So I thought, why not? Because that's where they get me, is outdoors. So these big ones you can make in a big batch and then distribute to these smaller little ones. I love these. These are glass, they're spray bottles, and they're just amazing. I love, love, love making my own sprays. So let's get going. Recipe number 1. Ready? 10 drops each of geranium, lavender, lemongrass, and peppermint with a little bit of fractionated coconut oil, and then distilled water in a small spray bottle. Got it? Okay. So you can actually put fractionated coconut oil and not water. You can do that because oils and water don't mix. And if you want stuff to adhere to your skin, you can just use the fractionated coconut oil that I also have in the description for you. A couple of links with FCO, what we call FCO, because that way it's actually going to go on your skin, right? So not on your clothes. If you want to do it on your clothes, I would use distilled water, or you can also use some vodka or witch hazel. It really is up to you. Next, recipe number 2. Ready? 15 drops of arborvitae, 15 drops of lemongrass, 15 drops of peppermint, and 50, that's 50, drops of Terra Shield with fractionated coconut oil in a 2-ounce or 30 milliliter bottle of spray bottle. So we're talking, I mean, this is probably a little over 15 milliliters, about 20 milliliters. So it'll be a little between these two sizes. Okay. I don't have that one right here, but that's the recipe that I have for that amount. So if you have 4 ounce, like I think this 4 ounces, actually, I don't know. But anyway, you can just use that specific one. So for fleas, okay, I'm going to give you some tips as well. So in a repellent for dog collar, so a repellent for the dog collar, you can put 1 drop cedarwood, 1 drop lavender, 1 drop lemon, 1 drop thyme, and you can mix actually 4 garlic oil capsules and half a teaspoon rubbing alcohol. You can mix all of that in a small bowl. You can soak the pet collar in the mixture for 30 minutes, and then you lay out to dry, and then you can place on the animal's neck, and that repeat once or twice a month. I would just do this with dogs and not with cats. If your cats go outside, you should probably stay away from lemon, citruses and mints with your cats, okay? And then I have this awesome flea and tick spray, and I'm going to give you the recipe as well. And so this is an 8-ounce spray bottle, which is bigger than what I have here. So if you wanted to make this size, you can just cut the recipe in half. So this is for 8 ounces. Ready? 4 drops clary sage, 2 drops purify, which is the cleansing blend, 5 drops arborvitae, 8 drops peppermint, 2 geranium, 2 eucalyptus, 3 lavender, 2 myrrh, and 8 cedarwood. And you can add, for dogs only, 4 drops of lemon. And then you put 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, 1 teaspoon sea salt, and the rest with purified water. And this baby smells unbelievable. I love the smell of this. It's like intoxicating. I want to use it as perfume, but it's really, really wonderful for a flea and tick spray. So I have this big bottle that I showed you before. This is my peppermint spray for ants and spiders. And I have this big bottle because I use this around the doors and the windows of my house periodically. And if you have issues, I would do it like once a month, do this. If there's more, if you find that you need to do it more, do it more. And you can also put this around mats, like your outdoor mats. You can put it under as well, because sometimes, you know, little critters get out in there. So that's about it. So I hope you're gonna have a lot of fun doing these recipes, and I hope you got major value from this video. I want you to download my green cleaning guide. It's free to download, and this is going to give you awesome DIY recipes with essential oils and some other non-toxic ingredients to detox your home. Your health is going to thank you, your loved ones are going to thank you, and I would love for you to comment below, what is the one oil that you find is the best oil to repel bugs for you? I think everybody's different on this one, so I'm curious, and I'll see you in the next video.